Health insurance scams are back, and they're more convincing than ever. The FBI just issued a warning, and it's something you don't want to miss, especially if you're looking for a better plan. Have you ever gotten a call or email offering a too-good-to-be-true deal? Let me know below. And if you want more content that breaks these things down clearly, consider subscribing. So, here's what's happening. Scammers are pretending to be real insurance companies, reaching out to people who are just trying to find affordable health care. They'll call you, text you, sometimes even email you or show up through a website that looks completely legitimate. And the offers sound amazing. Plans with super low monthly costs, low copays, wide provider coverage. But the truth is, these plans don't exist. And the way they hook people in is pretty calculated. They'll say the offer is limited time, or that it's a special promotion that won't last long. They may use official-sounding names, drop familiar terms, or even pretend to be connected to real insurance networks. The pressure is always the same, though. Sign up now, pay up front, secure your coverage before it's gone. But once someone signs up and hands over their money, things start to fall apart. That's when people try to use the insurance and find out their doctors don't accept it. Or worse, they get a big medical bill because the plan they thought they had doesn't cover anything. But one case the FBI highlighted stands out. A man in Maryland paid for a full year of coverage because the deal seemed solid. He was told the plan would include his current doctors, that copays would be low, and everything would be straightforward. Then he needed emergency surgery. He figured he was covered. But after the surgery, he found out the insurance was fake, and he was stuck with a $7,000 bill. That's not just one mistake. That's a financial setback that can take months or years to recover from. And unfortunately, he's not the only one. In Washington state, over 100 people filed complaints about a company operating under multiple names that sold fake coverage. The state had to step in with a cease and desist order, but by that point, a lot of damage had already been done. So then, what can you do to protect yourself? The FBI shared some simple but powerful advice. First, be cautious with unsolicited offers. If someone contacts you out of the blue with a great deal, don't agree to anything right away. Real health insurance providers usually don't work that way. Next, always check with your state insurance commissioner or the Better Business Bureau. You can verify if the company is licensed and legitimate before signing anything. Another smart move is to contact your doctor or healthcare provider. Ask if they accept the plan you're being offered. If they've never heard of it, or if something doesn't sound right, take that as a warning sign. Also, avoid paying large sums up front. Scammers often want you to pay for the whole year in advance, just like the man in Maryland. That way, when you realize something's wrong, they've already taken your money. And lastly, take time to read everything. I know policy documents are long and sometimes confusing, but you want to understand exactly what's covered and what's not. If the paperwork is vague or unclear, that's another sign something might be off. The FBI said it best. If the plan sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So let me ask you again. Have you seen any suspicious insurance offers lately? Or has someone you know been hit with unexpected medical bills? These scams are happening in more places and to more people than you might think. Sharing your story in the comments might help someone else avoid the same mistake. And if you find content like this useful, stuff that's clear, calm, and focused on helping you stay protected, subscribing is the easiest way to make sure you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself out there.